Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why manufacturing in China is cheaper. Several key factors contribute to this cost advantage. These include a vast and efficient labor force, supportive government policies, highly developed supply chains, and significant infrastructure investments. Understanding these elements helps clarify China's competitive edge in global manufacturing. One primary reason for lower manufacturing costs is China's large labor force. Wages are generally lower compared to many Western countries, which significantly reduces overall production expenses. This abundant workforce also allows for high production capacity and efficiency. While wages have been rising, the sheer scale and productivity of the labor pool remain a major advantage. China boasts incredibly mature and integrated supply chains. This means that components and raw materials are readily available and often produced locally, reducing lead times and costs. Extensive investments in infrastructure, including ports, roads, and logistics networks, ensure efficient movement of goods. These well-developed systems contribute to faster production and lower overall expenses. Government policies play a crucial role, offering subsidies, tax incentives, and favorable land use rights to manufacturers. Furthermore, China's ability to achieve massive economies of scale is a significant factor. Producing goods in very high volumes allows fixed costs to be spread across many units, leading to a much lower per-unit cost. This combination makes Chinese manufacturing highly competitive globally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.